What's up? It's Fox like Karma, Karma the Fox, Cameo the Done, yada dun dada, however you know me. It's your girl. Today I'm bringing you this beautiful look using my Sophx palette from Makeup Revolution. This is the Extra Spice palette, you guys, and I really enjoyed this palette. One thing I can say, this is definitely about to be my new holy grail because it just has so many shades that I would typically feel comfortable with going to. If we're being real, every color in this palette I could see myself using because it's not too bright, it's not too muted, not too frosty, so it's a nice mixture of warmth and shimmers and dark shades and dark greens and browns, and I just really love this palette. I'm not going to lie. So this is just what the palette looks like. Again, like I said, I just really enjoyed creating this look, and I thought this would be a little bit something different than what you guys have seen on my channel already. I put a cute little lavender frosty lid on, and you know, a nice little smoky eye, and you know, got on camera. So as far as the lashes, you guys already know I am rocking Ace Dollhouse. You guys can follow them on Instagram at Ace Dollhouse, or you can visit them online at 88shop.online. And if you would like to purchase anything from the website, use my promo code Karma the Fox and get 20% off your entire order. Also, you guys, I am aware that I didn't post anything for last week, and I am truly sorry. I ran into the biggest issues this week with getting things that I can film for you guys. If you guys would like to see a little bit of what I'm talking about, please keep on watching, and then if you guys want to see the full story, comment below and I'll definitely give you guys a story time on what really went down. Other than that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Hit the post notification bell so you can be a part of the gang. If you would like to see how I completed this look, keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So the palette that I'm going to be reviewing today is the Makeup Revolution Sophx Extra Spice palette, and it looks like this. I already showed you guys earlier in the video, but I'll just glimpse to you guys again because I took the wrapper off. Now this has 18 shades in it, and I got this from Marshall's. It was only $6, so I had to grab it. Sophx Extra Spice palette, and the front is just super cute. It's metallic and it's a rose gold metallic. I think that is so bomb, and let's just go ahead and open it, you guys. So it definitely has a mirror in the inside as expected. This is Makeup Revolution. Makeup Revolution has really good eyeshadow palettes, and they all seem to be of very good quality. So this is just what the palette looks like, and it has the plastic protective covering over it. I just really like naturals, very elegant. Any type of anything up that alley is like what I really typically like to stick with. So already a few of these shades I know I'm going to be using all the time. Running Late, Sweet and Sour, Chocolate Orange, oh my gosh, Cheesecake, Cookie Dough for sure. I might even tap into Vitamin C. LA Sun is always going to be a go-to for me. Yes, I really love these shades. I'm not gonna lie, they did very well picking these shades. They have a lot of mattes and a nice selection of shimmers. So let's get right into this look. I'm going to go ahead and use my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Concealer as always and apply that on my lid. I like to apply this on my lid so it can pick up the color better. First, I want to tell you guys, I know I missed last week's posting schedule because ultimately I had this really bomb video planned for you guys where I ordered a whole bunch of wigs, and I was going to do a cute little review, cute little wig haul. However, I got scammed on Instagram, and I'll leave all of that information in this video. I don't even know if I want to talk about it. I think I'll do a story time of the video. So last week I missed that video scheduled posting because, again, I got scammed and I was just so over it, so upset. But I really got over it because ultimately I was like, oh my gosh, like, I got my money back. So I might just go ahead and let that be a story time. So if you guys want to hear that story time, let me know and I'll do a separate video. So just comment in the comment section. It's a really annoying story, seriously. And so I'm like, wow, out of all of the times you could have scammed me, not that I want to get scammed, you're gonna do it a week before my birthday. Wow. Already, I think I'm gonna grab cookie dough with my Sonia Kashik brush, and I'm going to dab that right under the brow. And I knew I wanted to do that, yes. So, and then I'm going to take that under my brow, and I started up here because I just wanted to be sure the color would be light enough. So yes, we're just gonna apply cookie dough. So already the color is super pigmented. I don't know if you guys can tell because technically it is more of a skin-like color. And I'm just gonna take that Sonia Kashik brush and just drag it back and forth. But it is pigmented, I can already tell just based on what it applied there. Next, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay two-sided blending brush. This is a really old brush and I really love it. Oh my gosh. And then I'm gonna go into Running Late, and I'm going to place that in my crease and just blend that all over the place, like so, like that. I love Tattletha so much, y'all. I'm pretty sure y'all realize I've been using her little like so, like that. I love her. These eyeshadows blend so well. I'm not gonna lie. They have a nice creamy, what is it that I want to say? They have a nice creamy formula. Yeah, they have a nice creamy formula, and I just love the way they blend with each other. Boom. So I have Running Late placed in my crease, and I'm also going to go in with Sweet and Sour. If you guys been watching my channel, you guys probably already know I was going to touch every warm shade in this palette. Apply that on the outer crease only. So I'm just going to apply it on the outer crease and blend it a little bit midway, but that's about it. Just focus it on the outer part of my crease only. Blending stippling brush. It's more of a precise stippling brush, and I really love this brush when I'm trying to really get a certain part of my eye. So when I really want to be precise, I take this brush. I'm taking Chocolate Orange, and again, I named all of these colors in the beginning of the video because I knew I was going to want to use these. I'm applying this in my outer crease and literally only focusing this on the outer crease. And I'm not taking it up, I'm just taking it in the crease and wiping it in windshield wiper motion. These blend well with each other, so I never really have any problems layering them on. So now I'm just taking a brush with no product and blending everything together. That precise stippling brush again, and just really build that up in the outer corner of my lid. I'm just really going to make sure I build this color up in the crease in the outer corner only. taking brownies in the palette just so we can go ahead and deepen this look up. I'm going to apply that on the outer corner. And just focus that right in the outer corner, and I'm doing this in circular motions only in the outer corner. So it should look like that. Now, normally you guys see me cut my crease and then lay a shadow on top. Today I am going to just lay the shadow on top, and then we're gonna see what that looks like. I hope it gives me the look I want. If not, I don't know what we're gonna do. I hope it looks good enough to just go with. Oh, I'm gonna dig into Everyday for sure. It is that lavender iridescent shade in the palette. That looks like something I really want to do for tonight, and I think it'll match some of the flowers on my dress. So we're taking that and we're just going to place that on the lid. Okay, you guys, that looks nice. Look at that pigmentation. So just going to place that on the lid, and I'm just tapping that on the lid. I have little football eyes, so if I don't cut the crease, I'm only going to get like that little slant. So that's all we're going to do. So cute, I love it. I'm going to go back in with my Urban Decay blending brush and just blend the edges, and then I'm also going to go back in with that stippling brush and just make sure that the harsh lines are blended in pretty seamlessly. Just going to go back in with this blending brush. This was, oh my gosh, you guys, this is a MAC blending brush in the shade, the number is so old. This is so old, but this came out in a collection a long time ago, probably like 5-7+ years ago. It was around the time where I first started doing makeup, and girl, it is lasting, and it got a couple bites on it, but it's lasting. So I'm going to dig into chocolate orange and place that under my eye. And I think that suits the eye. Do you believe in magic in a young girl's heart? You make it believe it. I don't know the words, but yeah. You guys already know I am a Ace Dollhouse brand ambassador, so I get lashes in PR. Excuse my dirty nails, I'm doing makeup. And these are in the style Nubian, and I just really love these lashes. They look so beautiful. These are Siberian mink lashes. I'm not sure if it's zooming in properly, so I'm just going to take these lashes. If you guys would like to purchase these, you can find these at 88shop.online, or you can check out the Instagram at Ace Dollhouse, and you can use my code Karma the Feaux, and I'll just leave that right here, my promo code. You can get 20% off, or I think 15% off. You can get 20% off of your first order when you use my code. Again, that code is Karma the Feaux. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my lashes on really quick. I'm gonna put mascara on and then put my lashes on, and then I'm going to clean up the face.